Helo, shwmai a croeso I Teledu'r tele. Hello there to you all. In this video, we're going to look at Book Creator. So it's the app that we've chosen that makes creating a book pretty simple. So there's two options. I'm on the App Store here, as you can see. There's Book Creator for the iPad, which it costs. And there's Book Creator 1 then. It gives you a taste of creating a book. The only downfall is that you can only create one book. Okay, so if we click on that. Now, to get over the fact that you can only use one book, once you've published it, what I did was and deleted the app and went back into it, and I had another free book. So that's what we're going to do. There is a tutorial book that comes with it, probably explaining it a bit better than myself. So if you get stuck, that book is always there. Anyway, here we go. So on the top right, you can go to the orange tab which says to create a book. Now think carefully because you only get one book. So you've got the portrait, square and the landscape, or you've got the comics. If you have the full package, obviously there's more. So I'm going to just create a portrait, nice and simple. Okay, when I go to my books, now back to my books, that's my library. Okay, so I've only got two books. So the name of the book, title of the book is My Pet, and the author is, we'll just say Mr. H. Okay, and that's there then. Okay, My Pet and Mr. Humphrey at the bottom. So let's start our book. Now, there's only three things that you can do really. There's a plus button, there's an I button, and there's a play button, okay? So add, obviously, when you want to add content. So let's add the content. Okay, and there's your options. You can add a photo, you can add a live camera, a pen, you can add text or add sound, okay? So I'm just going to click on photo because this is the cover. So a cover always needs to be, has a picture. Okay, so we just go, there's, I don't know if you can spot, but one of my boys has placed our pet rabbit in with the teddies. So there's my picture, and then we'll just add some text in. Okay, My Pet Ted, done. Okay, so we'll just, nice and simple, okay, forget about the font and things for a minute. We're just adding the content first of all, okay? Right, now the font is a bit boring and a bit plain and a bit small, okay? So once you've added content using the add button, if you want to edit that content, you need to make sure that blue box appears. Once the blue box appears, then you can go to I, okay, and to give your content instructions. Okay, so with the I on, we can change the font. Okay, make it a bit bigger. We can make it nice and bold. There's some font options there. Okay, and we'll go color, we go red. Okay, we'll put everything on it. We'll put a bit of shadow on it. We'll put it in the middle. And there we go. Okay, so we'll stretch that out. You can put it in as well. And there we go. Okay, so that's how you do that. Same as the picture. Click on the picture, go to your eye. Okay, how much you can do, but you can move back to front. So that would allow the writing to go on top or behind your picture. Not much we can do there. If you want to change the color of the whole page, don't click on any of the content because that just shows you're concentrating on the picture. There you're concentrating on the text. So if you click on the white, Now we're concentrating on the cover. So if I go to I now, we can change that. There's some options there for you as well. You can have patterns. Okay, you can make it as groovy as you want. Okay, make it as groovy as you want. Okay, anything. I'll be happy with that. Okay, so there's my. Let's see if I can put a border on that page. No border. Okay, so there we go. To add the page, then, okay, just go to your arrow, go to your next page. Okay, and it starts all over again. We'll do something different. So we'll add a pen this time. Okay, we'll just change the font a bit, pink in there. We'll use crayon, and we'll just put rabbit. Okay, rabbit. I'm sure you can do better than that. And again, if I want to change the font, if I want to delete it, make sure the blue squares around it. Okay, it doesn't quite fit there. I could put it on a double spread. Let's just make it a bit smaller there. Rabbit. Okay, if I want, I can just change let's add more content now. Okay, let's add a sound to it. Okay, so I'm just going to speak in and say, hello, yes, my pet is a rabbit and he is called Ted. Okay, are you happy? Yes. Okay, we can use that. So when you publish your book, let's just put it behind there, okay? You won't be able to see that when you publish your book. So you can press on the word rabbit, so make it nice and big like that. Okay, so when you publish it, you can press on that and it will explain to you. Okay, so let's go back to my book. So there's my book, okay? There's my book. Okay, my pet Ted. And then if we press on that, my pet is rabbit. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but that's the gist of it. So, there you go. So the last thing you need to do is obviously send that to your J2 launch. You need to export that then. Okay, you can export it as a PDF. Okay, and you need to send that to your J2 launch.